After 25 years working with corporations both large and small all around the globe, the Afterburner Top Gun experience will inspire, align, and empower your leaders to focus on your most critical business goals.
Whether you want to do this event in person, completely virtual, or a hybrid mix of the two, Afterburner's Top Gun experience can be completely customized to your business.
I'm the Chief Operating Officer, and I'll tell you, the CEO, all of us are really motivated now to go back to our team starting next Monday and take some of their advice and actually execute what they said.
This process and training in general, critical if you're going to grow as a team.
Afterburner is a very good team. We enjoyed working with them. It was a great session we had.
The experience itself starts with a high-energy keynote from the main stage.
Then we're going to split your team into breakouts where everybody's going to work together. They're going to collaborate and innovate around a plan or mission.
The way that they deliver the messaging allows us to kind of step outside of these walls that we operate in. It's hard to measure just how valuable it is.
I love the process. It seems very straightforward, and it's that level of clarity that I think will make it easy to implement.
This team-building experience culminates with the debrief.
Teams must debrief in a nameless and rankless environment to get better every single day.
I think debriefing is super important at a macro and micro level.
For me, it's the most critical phase because if you don't go through what you learned, what went well, what didn't go well, you will never improve.
If you were to ask me to rate this experience on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give you 100. This is the best experience I've ever had with an outside group coming in to not only motivate, but to give us really practical lessons on how we can perform better as a business and as a team.
We're excited to have your team involved and engaged with the Top Gun experience.
This is an exciting product for today's business.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.